need to see this, you know, but me did have to scream record it and come show us evidence, cause if me did to just talk about it, so probably enough people wouldn't believe, but watch out. The brother here use a one hand, the man I use and play PUBG Mobile. One friggin' hand, brother, and the man tough, brother. Just watch how the man a play. Watch the man reflexes. Reflexes the hand point, brother, better than even me we have two hand. The man bad till him can't bad no more, brother. Watch how the man a wipe the place. A two hand me using it, and my reflexes them no sharp, so no time in a brother. Me I show you say, yo, brother, anything is possible as long as you believe in yourself, cause them man you have one hand and can deal with the place. So that means that you will have your two and can do it too. I just believe if you believe and just work hard, brother. Just play hard, brother. Go hard. Yo.